Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create a bootable ChromeOS USB flash drive. First of all, make sure to use the USB flash drive that is supported by your device, because some laptops do not support USB above 2.0, especially the older models. So make sure if you're using USB 3.0 that your laptop can support it, and also make sure that you have no important data, and basically better off no data at all on your USB flash drive before you create a recovery image on it. And after that, to create a recovery image, you're gonna have to find the Chrome web store in Google Chrome web browser. Select open this page and search for Recovery Utility. Here you'll find the Chromebook Recovery Utility at the very top. You're gonna have to click Add to Chrome in this spot, and this tool will be added to your extensions list. So navigate to your extensions, select Chromebook Recovery Utility, tap Get Started, and then select a model from a list, and we want to select find and select Google ChromeOS Flex, and then click Continue. Select your USB flash drive, make sure that it has at least 8 GB of storage. Then click Create Now, confirm, and then wait until the recovery image is created. And once the recovery media is created, you will see these two files in your on your USB flash drive, and that means that your recovery media is prepared, and you can use it to install ChromeOS Flex on your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.